Hey, it's Felicia, and I'm here to teach you how to make a logo with Looka. So let's just jump into it. Let's get started. To start, head over to looka.com and enter your company name. Check your spelling, then click Get Started. Today we're making a logo for a bakery called Butter. Take a moment to fill out your industry to help us understand the brand you're designing for. Then click Continue to move on to the inspiration page. Here, you'll see different styles and layouts of other company logos. As you select your favorites, Looka starts to learn what designs you like so it can generate the best results. After you've clicked 5 logos, click Continue to choose a color scheme. Think about the colors you'd like to represent your brand. You can hover over each color to learn more. Choose up to 3, then click Continue. This next page lets you double-check your spelling. You can also add a slogan or a subheading to specify what your company does, such as design studio or tattoo artist. Let's say bakery is our slogan, to give our company name more context. Click Continue, and now we're getting to the fun part. On this page, you can search and select symbols for your logo. Or you can have our AI generator make suggestions to find symbols based off of your industry or company name. We're having the generator come up with a few options for us. There are a ton of great symbols to choose from, but if there isn't something that suits your taste, you can always search for more. You'll want to choose a couple of symbols so Looka can create a wide variety of logo options. Click Continue, and wait a few moments for your logos to appear. Ta-da! Looka's artificial intelligence takes your name, colors, slogan, and symbols to generate endless options. Look through the logos, and when you see one you like, click on it and scroll down to view real-life mockups. Just by clicking on it, that logo will be added to your favorites, which you can access through the Save icon at the top of your page. You'll also see a menu bar on the left with options for customization. Feel free to start playing around with symbol, font, and layout variations, but we'll go over more ways you can edit your logo in upcoming videos. To continue looking through logo options, click the back arrow at the top of the screen or in your browser. Click the designs you like to keep adding options to your favorites. If you're happy with the logo that's been generated for you, go ahead and click Buy in the top right corner to select a package and download your files. Thanks for watching, folks, and stay tuned for more tutorial videos just like this. Now, if you want to jump right back into making your own logo, there's a link down below in the description that'll get you started.